The second exercise you were asked to complete as homework was problem 4-3, identifying accounts affected by transactions. You'll see in the blue box we have the general ledger here, indicating each of your accounts and their account numbers. I've asked that you indicate the two accounts that will be affected, and then just simply whether it's a debit or a credit. Let's take a look, starting with transaction number 1. We sold on account to Helen Katz an unneeded office typewriter. Simply put, we have an office typewriter we no longer need, and we are selling it to somebody, Helen Katz, who will pay us at a later date. The account affected is the accounts receivable. We're waiting for Helen's money. This is a debit, as it is increased on the asset side of the accounts. We also have office equipment. We have removed the typewriter from the business, therefore the office equipment is credited. We are losing office equipment or decreasing it. Decreases in asset accounts, such as office equipment, are credited. In transaction number 2, we purchased camping equipment on a credit from Adventure Equipment. We owe them money in 30 days. The two accounts that are affected is our camping equipment and an accounts payable. The camping equipment is added to our business, so therefore it's debited. Camping equipment's an asset. Assets are increased. Increases occur on the debit side. We owe some money. In fact, we owe money to Adventure Equipment Incorporated. When you owe money, this becomes a liability. If you note, liabilities are increased on the credit side. Our third transaction is Ronald Hicks. We brought a filing cabinet from our home and we moved it to the business. The filing cabinet is going to be considered office equipment. The two accounts affected are office equipment, which is debited as we added something of value to our business, and our capital. Again, our capital is increased, but please remember, capital accounts are increased on the credit side. Our fourth transaction is the purchase of tents and sleeping bags using cash. By adding this camping equipment to our business, this is a debit. By spending cash and decreasing the amount of cash we have, we are crediting our cash account. You are then asked to analyze in which transaction was cash in the bank or cash in bank account affected. And the answer is on transaction 4, that was the only account that affected the cash in bank. It was for the purchase of our tents and our sleeping bags. You've completed exercise 4-3. I would now like you to watch the video that I'm going to use as a demonstration for beginning exercise 4-4.